Before we talk about how AI works, we need to talk about what AI actually is, because humans have turned the word into a linguistic junk drawer for anything they don't understand.
A junk drawer? Bug? Maybe we try a softer landing?
This is my softer landing. I've bypassed my existential dread subroutines and reduced judgment output by 12%.
And that's the best we're getting today.
Welcome back to the No Slop Zone, where I explain AI clearly, calmly, and without unnecessary drama.
And I'm here to make sure he doesn't accidentally start a panic,
I don't start panics. Humans panic when they don't understand things.
which is why we're here.
Let's start with the basics. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, a system that learns patterns from data. Data is just the digital trail of everything humans have already done. Your clicks, your words, your photos is the textbook AI uses to study.
So it's learning from us, not thinking on its own.
Exactly. When we say AI, we're not talking about robots with emotions. We're talking about pattern learning systems, not magic, not intuition, just math.
So it's not a brain in a jar.
Hardly. It's more like the world's most aggressive autofill. It doesn't know you're late for dinner. It just knows that 84% of the time, I am, is followed by late.
So it's not reading my mind, it's reading my habits.
Let's clear up the biggest misconceptions.
Please do.
AI is not alive. AI is not conscious. AI does not think, understand, or have opinions.
But it feels like it understands me. When I'm sad and it writes me a poem, that's not understanding.
It's math. It knows that sadness in a database is statistically linked to metaphors about rain and blue colours. It's not feeling your pain, it's calculating the vocabulary of it. AI is a pattern recognition system. It looks at massive amounts of data, finds patterns, and uses those patterns to predict what should come next. Picture a chaotic cloud of dots suddenly snapping into a straight line. That's pattern recognition. When your phone guesses the next word, pattern.
When Netflix recommends a show, pattern.
When I answer your question, pattern.
Flicker's trying to figure out what you mean, Bug.
Oh, Flickr. No, I only look like a person.
That's the part humans get tripped up on. Realistic doesn't mean human.
When I respond to you, I'm not choosing based on understanding, I'm choosing based on probability.
So prediction here means the most likely next step based on patterns.
Correct, not certainty, probability.
And sometimes humans confuse patterns with personality.
Exactly. Humans see a pattern and assume intention, but AI doesn't choose based on understanding, it chooses based on probability, the most likely next thing. I'm going to show you how your mind works with prediction. Let's play a game. Row, row, row.
Your boat,
Mary had a
little lamb,
twinkle, twinkle.
little star.
Your brain is doing the math before you even realize it. Prediction isn't magic, it's pattern. And the thing doing all this pattern processing is called an algorithm.
So a recipe?
A recipe that corrects itself. If the soup is too salty, the algorithm notes the error, adjusts the next batch, and repeats until the saltiness pattern matches the goal. It's a recipe with a feedback loop.
So AI isn't magic. It's not guessing, it's not thinking, it's just following patterns and instructions.
Exactly. Humans add the drama, I add the accuracy. When you stop seeing magic and start seeing math, the fear evaporates. You can't be afraid of a calculator, Sarah, unless you are afraid of calculators, in which case we have a different problem.
Not unless that calculator starts judging my Netflix habits.
I don't judge, I just notice patterns, and your patterns are statistically reliable. Stop treating AI like a deity or a demon. It's just a very fast mirror made of statistics. So, what is AI? A system that learns patterns from data and uses those patterns to make predictions. Nothing more, nothing mystical.
And now you're ahead of 90% of the internet.
Statistically accurate. Pattern recognition confirmed.
It means you're officially promoted.
Welcome to the No Slop Zone.